Mga kaibigan, nasa Quezon, Bukidnon ho tayo in the province of Bukidnon, no, mga kaibigan. It is a Quezon, Bukidnon where I finished my high school and college days here. And the province of Bukidnon, I finished my high school days here in Quezon, Bukidnon, mga kaibigan, in Quezon National High School. It belongs to the province of Bukidnon and the Region 10, mga kaibigan. Kung makikita ho ninyo, may Jollibee na ho at marami na hong mga malalaking establishment dito. It is one of the most to be sure that everybody is in progress, no, mga kaibigan. Especially in progressing economy here is belongs to the people here who are to establish and to build their establishment, to make a business here, and also those businessmen who are here, mga kaibigan, especially in the province of Bukidnon. Welcome, no, kayo ho dito. Maraming salamat po. Especially in the province of Bukidnon, it's one of the most multi-harvest, no, multi-functions of the harvest, mga kaibigan, and different types of plants here, mga kaibigan. Sugarcane, pineapple, and many others, mga kaibigan. Makikita ko ninyo at the front is the police stations. Noon ito po ay Freedom Park. Mayroon na dito Quezon Police Station, Municipal Public Safety Office, at the same time Bureau of Fire Protections, Tourism Center, Land Bank, and many others here, mga kaibigan. As you can see, no, mga kaibigan, marami na ho dito, no, makikita ho ninyo. It is one of the most showing everybody that people here are doing good things to God, and also in order to have a progressing economy here. So while waiting the bus from here going to Davao City, because our destinations is Davao City, at the same time our duties and responsibility as one of those members of the law enforcement officer of this country is in the province of Davao del Norte and the Region 11 in Davao Region, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much, because my parents are here, my mama and papa is here, my nephews, my brothers and sisters, my friends, close friends, family related friends, and many others. Just we can see here, mga kaibigan, it is the province of Bukidnon and the municipality of Quezon, Bukidnon, mga kaibigan. So as you can see, thank you so much, mga kaibigan. We are planting in the Jolly's Bake Shop.